Happy Mother's Day.
Nandito ba si mommy mo? Wala. Alright, Mommy Jazzle here is a full-time mom. Tama po ba?
I'm a full-time mom and hands-on in taking care of my children.
Very beautiful. Nandito rin ang iyong mga very, very lovely chikitings na nakikita ko na nandito sa harap. There's two of them. Tama? Pakilala mo naman sa amin sila, mommy.
Hello to my son, John and Matthew, and my cute little daughter, Sophia. Hello. Hi.
Ayan, yung naglulundag. Itong pinaka-active na bata na kasama natin ngayon. Ito si Sophia, your youngest. And then yung guwapo naman is your only son, si Jalan. Wow, they're all the socialness, ha? Okay, sige. Si mommy naman, in spite of your busy schedule, ano naman po ang inyong naging motivation sa pagsali sa isang beauty pageant, sa isang competition like Mrs. Philippines? Siyempre kasi may mga moms dyan, when they become moms, parang nagiging mahihayin na sila, they lose their confidence. Ano po ang nag-motivate sa inyo to join this competition?
Even you're a mom, you can still be beautiful and sexy and gorgeous, besides of taking care of your children and being supported wife to your husband. So that's my motivation.
At nag-work naman talaga yung motivation na yun dahil si Mommy ay ang nag-agree ng title, Mrs. Philippines 2009. Ay, nako. Ang kanyang vital statistics na kalimutan ko sabihin kanina, ha? 34 pala, 24 and 34. Tinalo mo ba ako, Mommy? Paano mo naman napapanatiling very fit and very sexy and very lovely ang iyong figure?
You must have regular exercise and a balanced diet. And since I'm hands-on taking care of my children and in the house of chores, I have no yaya and me. So that's my exercise, have a diet, and have a balanced diet. That's it.
Sa pagkain ng ng healthy, at syempre sa paggawa ng mga gawaing bahay, pwede pa lang mag-exercise. Okay, paano yun? Habang naghuhugas ng plato, ano yun? Exercise for the hands, and then magwalis-walis, magsampay, that's stretching already. Very, very beautiful. Alright, before I would let go of Mommy Jazzle here, kasi makakasama natin siya sa ating fashion show mamaya. Any more tips? Any more messages para sa mga mommies na kasama natin ngayong hapon na to para mapanatili nila ang kanilang kagandahan, ang kanilang figure, and to stay confident in life?
Advice to the moms out there is to stay happy and stress-free and enjoy your being mom and always take care of your children. That's our aim in our life, being a mom. And just be yourself. That's it. Don't lose yourself and have a self-confidence.
Mommy Jazzle, ikaw na talaga